Hello again, everyone. It's Jan Monahan for Wrapping with Jan. I owe all of you an apology. December was a rough month for me. I had oral surgery and couldn't talk for a while, and then of course Christmas and New Year's. Anyway, I'm not going to give you any tutorials today. However, I am going to show you all the ideas that I came up with for the December Hero Arts kit, which by all standards is probably one of the cutest that they've come up with. I love the dandelions and the seeds and the mice and everything else. So I'll show you what I did. I only managed to do 5 projects, but they all are pretty cute. My first project, I went ahead and I have a, matter of fact, I've got it right here. This, I've got a Stampers Anonymous from the Tim Holtz collection. I've got a pine and a birch, and I used the pine stamp to stamp the background of my card. And I went ahead and I put in all of the flowers there, and I put your dandy in the corner. I just thought this kind of looked like a barn, and side of a barn and part of a window. And I've also made an envelope that I think matches pretty well. So there's project number 1. Project number 2, which is probably my least favorite, and just because I don't think I put it together very well. I didn't think about the design before I started stamping. But anyway, no wish is too big or too small, and I've got the fairy, and she's kind of sending all these dandelion seeds on their way. And I thought this would be a nice card for somebody who was having a birthday or maybe wasn't feeling so well. And the next one, this is one of my favorites. I used all the stamps, or I shouldn't say all the stamps, the dandelion stamps from the kit, and I also used this I guess you'd call it a dusty mauve ribbon that came with it, and it's just a very nice thank you card. I colored it in with my Copics, and of course made a nice envelope with it. And I had this kind of a purple gray cardstock that I didn't know what to do. I tried several ways of working with this, and I finally found the right color combination. So I'm pleased with that I could finally use that. And so that's another project. And then I had some masking paper, and this is the remnants of it. And I went ahead and I used the frame of the masking paper to go ahead and blend. I think it was worn lipstick and oh, I've forgotten. But anyway, I made a nice looking heart. And I had the fairy sleeping on the mushroom, and once again I made the envelope to match, and I did forget to color in with this glitter pen, and this one I think works a little bit better than the Wink of Stella. It puts down more glitter. It's not quite as subtle as the Wink of Stella, but it's still very, very, very pretty. And so that's number 4. And last, and my most favorite, these little mice were absolutely adorable. And what I did is I took a template that I had, my cloud template, and I tried to make it look like a blustery summer day. And yeah, hold on to all your wishes. And so I kind of made it look like, you know, poor little mouse was hanging on for dear life, and all the other things that were flying off of the mouse that was lucky enough to be sitting down. And so this is what I've done. And as far as I know, this kit has sold out. I think it sold out very quickly. It's pretty cute. The November kit didn't have a whole lot that I could work with. It was very cute, but it really only provided 1 or 2 designs that were worth showing you, and I thought, I'm not going to waste your time. So this is Jan Monahan for Wrapping with Jan. Leave me any constructive criticisms or comments, and sign up for my YouTube channel. And the January kit should be coming in a couple of days here, so I'll start working on that. And until then,